Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. And today I would be talking about some of the Zerodha products other than the trading terminal. And just to before I actually start this video, I would like to thank all my subscribers for subscribing to my channel, and the comments and feedbacks which you have provided over the last few weeks, months. You've been together with me. I do see there are some new subscribers, and recently I also noticed a comment um, which someone has actually posted just to motivate me. He had subscribed to this channel, and you may not have seen some videos in the last few days. Also, mainly because I was not keeping in good health, and now I'm feeling much better before than before. So, if you would have noticed in one of the previous videos, you would see that my voice was sounding much more sick than normal. So anyway, but I have tried to, um, even though I was not coming in YouTube, I was very much active in my Telegram channel. So if you have not joined my Telegram channel, feel free to join, and I am posting it regular updates on my Telegram channel, also on my Twitter handle, Twitter account, where I do share the latest updates. And recently I have also made a video on how I will be starting on a strategy for low investment traders. The only challenge which I am facing right now is to record the videos during live trading. Because of my job schedule, I am not able to create videos during live market hours. However, I'm trying to see a workaround if I can take a trade and then show you by the end of the day. That will also help. So the very first thing, I do not want you guys to trade with me, um, at least for now, because this is I am actually trying um, to catch and to pick up an intraday stock and then trade on it completely for job working professionals, and also even an advanced level trader can also do that. However, this is mainly designed for low investment traders, because I have seen this a lot of times where you might be having a low investment like 10,000. That's the minimum amount which I have decided, and I will be focusing on 10,000 rupees investment. So if someone has 10,000 rupees, and they want to just put it on the trading terminal and then make a trade, I am working on that strategy, because I have seen there are so many people out there who will be talking about futures, options, and other things, but no one actually talks about low investment traders. So this is exactly the live trading challenge which I have it in mind. So 1 month I will try to create a video based on my views for 30 days, and then I will share you the strategy too. So again, this is completely free. The only request I have for all my subscribers is to please value free content too. And the reason is there are so many people who are out there who would charge amazing and crazy amount of money for the same strategy which I am actually giving you for free in my channel. So that's something which you have to keep in mind. So please do value free content too. Free doesn't mean it's not valuable or it's not worth it. It is just my humble request that this is provided to you as a gesture from my side, and my YouTube channel is designed to give out free content. But please do value it. Please do value it, because this is coming from a lot of research, a lot of investment from my own side. I have invested in courses, courses from people who have actually, most of them are scammers, many of them are scammers. I made a review video on them to give you a very very neutral view, so that you know whether to take this course or not. So please do value free content. I wanted to make a video on this particular topic, but Zerodha products probably I will create on my next video. But please do value free content, and because I've been working hard to provide you quality materials which is available to you without any cost. So please do value that. And also for you guys, for all my subscribers, and also if there are any new subscribers also, I am taking up this challenge to for low investment traders of at least 10,000 rupees. Is if you have 10,000 rupees, um, how to consistently make money, or by the end of the month what would be the percentage return. So again, that I will be creating it, finding out a workaround soon, and create videos regularly on that topic separately. So this video is just to let you know that please do subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not, and also join my Telegram channel, which is free completely. You would get daily updates from my side, based on the market views, opinions, etc. So stay cautious, and if you have any comments or clarifications, feel free to comment, and I'll be happy to go through it. So I will create a new video